Hi guys, so in this video I want to show off my first CNC machine, which is gonna be a plotter. As you might have seen in many videos, people are doing mini plotters using this DVD engravers. So we have these main parts that we salvage from DVDs. So here we are. I saw this video of Mr. Innovative channel, and I liked it, and I tried to do the same. So here we are. We've got the first mount over here with its stepper motor. I've soldered some wires over here with the connector at the end, and also the other one. So this one is gonna move like this, as you can see, like that, and this one is gonna move this way. So the body, the outer side, is the one to move, not the inner side, not the inner part. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now for the pin, or the mechanism of the pin, I don't have a servo motor, so I found a post that talks about using a DC motor alongside with the L293. I don't know if I have one over here, but let me see. Yeah, here it is. So yeah, this chip right here. So I don't know if that's obvious or is that clear. Here it is. So yeah, that chip, L293, that's a stepper motor driver, and I can also drive DC motors. Basically, like, you can drive 2 DC motors or 1 stepper motor. So yeah, we're gonna use that, and instead of the servo motor, we're gonna use a regular DC motor, and I'm gonna do an update as soon as I finish this project. Hello guys, so this is the setup that we've built for our mini CNC plotter. So as you can see, here is what we got, the parts that are the moving parts with the stepper motors. So we've got the first axis is this one, as you can see right there, and the second one is this one, and we're gonna add some motor over here. I don't have actually a servo. That's what most of people that have done similar things use. So I'm gonna use a stepper motor and change that in the code. So yeah, and I've got controlling that is a board that I've built. You can check one of my videos where I've talked about this board. So it's basically like a L293 shield, but I've just made it for two stepper motors. Sorry. And then we have our pins that go to the Arduino. I'm using here the Arduino Nano right there, as you can see. And we've got some wires for logic power, a logic VCC, and then we've got a connector over here in order to give it power, because the stepper motors needs power and the Arduino can't provide that much power for them. So yeah, that's basically what we have over here. I'm still stuck a little bit on the software side, not stuck, but I haven't done my whole research. I've downloaded some resources, and I'm gonna go through them and check and hopefully make it work. And till that time, see you in the next thanks for watching and see you in the next time.